Hi folks, so welcome back to my channel. Let's see today what is method overriding in C sharp. Okay, so method overriding is nothing but we can able to override a method by using the override keyword. So override means so we can able to change the body of the method. So this part, so we can able to change the body of the method by using the override keyword. Okay. So let's see an example for the method overriding. So I have a base class here. So class base class. So I have a method called public void add. It has two parameters. So I'm just printing the numbers. Okay. So I'm going to so copy the class and paste it once again and change the class name as derived class. Okay. So and now I'm going to inherit the base class. Okay. So now what I have done is, so I have derived class and I have so called my base class into the derived class by using inheritance. Okay. Now in the base class method. Okay. So first we need to define that. So which method you are going to override. Now I'm going to override this method. Okay, this one method. So to override, so in the base class method, you need to define the keyword called virtual. Okay. So with the help of the virtual keyword, we can able to so override the method in the derived class. So this is our derived class. So we can able to define the override keyword. Okay. So now the method is overridden in here. Now I can able to have the same code. Okay. There is two options for you. You can either have the same code or else you can remove the old code and you can do your own logic. For example, I'm going to print the sum. In this, I'm going to print the sum of the two number. Sum is okay. So there is another main thing in the method overriding. So in the method overriding, so in the overridden method, the modifier, the return type and the function name and the variables and and the parameters all should be equal. So the method declaration part should be equal. So only the changes we need to mention the override keyword in the method declaration. So this line is called as so method declaration. Okay, this part. So this part should be equal to the base class part. This line. So the only difference is in the base class we will mention as virtual. In the derived class we will mention as override keyword. Okay. So with the help of this we can able to override this. Now let's check how to call the base method and the override method. To call the base method, so we need to create the object for base class. So like this. Okay. Now let's see how to call the derived class. To to call the derived class override method, we need to create object for derived class method, derived class object. Okay. So now I can able to call the method. Add. Okay. See, I need to pass 10 comma 5. Okay. Now I'll make a breakpoint in these two functions and let's see how the output is. See, for the first add method, it is so reaching into the base class virtual. I'm going to press F5 and see for the next so derived class, it is hitted into the so derived class overridden method here. So by this part, we can able to achieve the overriding concept. See, same method with same parameters but the method body is different. Okay, so this is called as method overriding. For example, so in here, if I change the int a comma b to int c, see, it will show an error, not suitable for the method found to override. So the main thing in the override is the the method declaration should be equal. The declaration part should be equal. The only change in the declaration part is the virtual and here the override. Okay. So this is called as method overriding. Thanks for watching my videos, friends. So if you like my video, so click the like button. Bye.